At Britain, we invested heavily within 3D print to continue to expand our abilities to build anything.
We're always trying to get to yes for our customers, and they seem to be always coming to us with bigger and more complex ideas. And we're known for taking those complex ideas and turning them into real-world solutions.
Clients come to us with everything from medical training models to custom lighting to hybrid 3D print and foam builds. The ability to do everything under one roof really allows us quick turn times and high quality products, and just to establish great relationships with our clients.
Whether it's using this capability for a prototype or an actual project, we're constantly finding new ways to utilize 3D printing.
Anyone with an idea, if it feels impossible, bring it to us and we'll find a solution.